I knew there was another video I wanted to film, and it is a little balls, mini brands balls opening. I love to have my husband here usually when I'm doing this, but he has to work a job, people. He has responsibilities, but he did buy me this enormous box of balls from you can hear them in there, which is very Nigella Lawson of me. But anyway, so he bought me a whole bunch of balls on clearance, because if you do wait, you can get a great deal on the balls at Kmart and Target. Anyway, so I'm just going to open a couple of them, and I really want to open some of the fashion ones because they are my favorite, because I love getting new bags and accessories and shoes for my Barbie house. So I might just open a couple of those today. I feel like a big problem that I have is that I have nails, but oh, see, and then it doesn't like peel off. These are the fashion ones, and I really want the little faux LV Murakami one. They are ultra rare, so unlikely. These are series 3, by the way. Okay, let's open the accessories first. Oh my god! I've got a little Gucci scarf. So cute. Oh, and I have a very sexy pair of birds. Look at these. These are so sexy. And then the last accessory was this headband. It does look pretty big, so I hope that it will fit my Barbie. Onto the bag. Oh my god! It's a friggin' Speedy bag. What the hell? I am so friggin' lucky. And it's got the little painting on it. You know how sometimes Louis Vuitton do the little painting? And it does unzip. It's got the little bag charm on there, on the front. And it does unzip. This is cute. Oh, it's a bit hard to open. And then of course they have stuff in it. I'll keep that in there. So it looks all fat. How cute. I friggin' love that. I cannot believe my Barbie has a Speedy now. I think these are the accessories. Oh, check these out. They are a very long pointy toe boot, and these do fit my Barbies, which is awesome. Look at those. They're a bit crunched up at the moment, but they're like a thigh-high boot. Do you think I should do a goddamn fashion show with my Barbie? I also got these, which are like the little nails. I don't like those. And then I got this really ultra cute gold charm bracelet. So that's the charm bracelet. That's the boot. I'm really worried this is going to be a double up. Oh, this is the one I got in my last one. How cute is that bag? And just to show you guys, this is my Speedy. Moving on to my next bowl. This feels like the accessory. Oh my god, these are so cute. It's a little platform Converse Chuck Taylor, as well as a beret, which, by the way, me personally, I'm actually in the market for a beret. So this is so cute, little black beret. And then another nails thing. Feels soft, feels flat. I hope it's not another fringe one. Oh my god, look at this. It's a friggin' shopping tote in like a knit fabric. So that is the gorgeous little bag, and this is the beret. How cute are they? Now, should this be the last ball I open? Oh, this is the 4th ball. If I get a double up, I'm not going to open any more right now, because I will just have to live with the disappointment, because I will just feel disappointed. Hello, honey.
So a little question you.
Yeah.
For the tax invoice, how do we pull that up again through Cypress?
You have to select the thing on the sales ledger and hit generate invoice. You're far better doing one at a time.
I gotcha. Thank you so much.
No worries, honey.
Appreciate it.
Thanks, I love you, bye. This feels good. This is the shoes. Oh my god! These are friggin' cute as hell. Oh my god, they're like the little slipper type shoe. Another dumb nail one. I don't want that. And then these super cute sunnies, and they're in that rectangle shape that everyone has been loving. So something different, because the last series I just got so many pairs of the black sunglasses and it was just so annoying. I like it when there's more variety. These are the little slippers. So cute. I love, love, love those. And these are the sunnies. I'm really worried. Feels a bit stiff. Oh, okay. It's not a double up. It's this corduroy mushroom tote bag. Oh my god, that's cute. It's actually got a magnet closure in it, so all your goodies don't fall out. That is super cute. Very practical as well. So, because I didn't get a double up, I'm going to open one more ball. I feel like this might be the bag, and this might be the accessories. What's that? Oh my god. It's a little, that's like a little Chanel. What is it meant to be? Oh, you could like put it on your shirt. And then, oh my god, okay. Oh, very Anna Wintour. These are the sunnies. So, so cute. They match the bow. And they match the shoes. This is very Chanel. This must be the Chanel accessories, because these have got the little flowers on the shoe, which is very like Chanel, isn't it? Last one, it's the bag. Feels kind of hard, feels kind of wide. Yeah, and I can't tell at all looking through this either. Oh my god, oh my god, is that a Chanel? Oh my god, look at this double handle here. That is a Chanel, babe. That is a Chanel. Look at that. Now, bear in mind, this is a common one, but this is really nice. It's got the little pearls and a little chain, and it can be a shoulder bag, or it could double as like a crossbody, because these like pull through. So you could do a very cute crossbody moment. Okay, I am going to save the rest of them for when my husband gets home, and hopefully he can be my lucky charm and get me the Louis Vuitton Murakami bag that I really want. If you prefer short form content, you can come and see me on TikTok at dottydoes. I post every single day. Otherwise, definitely expect more ball openings very, very soon on this channel.